Tired of guessing if your TikTok ads are actually working? Let's fix that by connecting your TikTok pixel to your Shopify store, so you can finally track your results, optimize your campaigns, and watch those sales skyrocket. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Online Store. Then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the TikTok Pixel section. If you haven't already connected, it will prompt you to set up TikTok marketing. Click on that Setup button. Shopify will then guide you through installing the TikTok marketing app. This app is crucial for seamless integration. Make sure you review and accept the necessary permissions to allow TikTok and Shopify to communicate. Next, connect your TikTok Business Center account. If you don't have one, the app will prompt you to create one. If you do, simply log in, then link the specific TikTok Ads Manager account you want to use. Now, the app will ask you to either select an existing TikTok pixel or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, name your pixel something descriptive, like Shopify Website Pixel. Pay close attention to the data sharing settings. Choose the enhanced or maximum setting to send the most data to TikTok, which will significantly improve your ad targeting and optimization. Remember, the more data, the better the results. Make sure automatic advanced matching is enabled. This allows TikTok to match website visitors to TikTok users, enhancing your retargeting abilities. This is already set to enabled automatically. Finally, go back to your Shopify online store preferences. You should now see your TikTok Pixel ID displayed, confirming that the connection is active. You're all set. Now you can start tracking, optimizing, and scaling your TikTok ads like a pro.